Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haft here. I'm at the piling machine here, and the gentleman said he'd give us an interview. Said it's because they pound these big poles into the ground, so it takes a tremendous amount of force and stuff. Saying how this probably used to bend at one time, but now it's smaller. So here's the side. Some big steel holding this thing together. And this is kind of probably what they fill the firebox with. They got the coal back here. See it? That's the boiler. Well, it's the water. There's some valves that control it and stuff. This is from 1905, this unit. Okay, there's the side. These steel beams and stuff. Got handles on there, folks. You're not going to pull it. That's for sure by hand. You're going to need a lot more than that. Imagine the force it takes to pound something like this in the ground. And here's some of the other ones that they pounded in. Oh, I see what's going on. They can actually roll this with logs and stuff like that. How's it going? Good.
Went everywhere.
Okay. Hey, excuse us for a second. And your name, sir?
My name is Tony Lauer. I'm from Madison, Wisconsin.
Yeah, this is an awesome machine here. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. This is a 1909 American hoist and derrick steam pile driver. It's been here on the ground since 1969.
Wow.
Originally had a wooden tower on it, but they built a new tower back in the 70s when that one rotted. But everything else is basically original, with the exception of the house, of course, which is aluminum siding.
What's interesting is it's hard to believe that this was originally built out of wood.
It was, and it was another third again taller than it is right now.
No kidding. What kind of wood did they use for something like that?
Oak.
Oak. Yeah, you want to use a good wood. Yeah, and this is your engine back here, huh?
Yeah, inside is the winch works. The boiler is all the way back, and this way from the boiler you'll see there's a steam piston there. There's another steam piston like it on the other side, and those just run the winches.
I see you got 3-foot controls here.
Right, so there's 3-foot controls that are brakes, there's 3 hand controls that are clutches, and then there's a throttle that runs all 3 of those drums.
Wow, that's amazing. It heavy-duty steel construction. Does this still turn or not?
Not on its own, but we pull it with a cat and a chain.
Because you can see it would turn on there, slide kind of like a turntable.
Yep.
All right.
Originally, this was on a barge in the St. Lawrence Seaway.
Okay.
And they would float it out into position to drive the pilings in. Originally, it drove concrete pilings, the special compression concrete, and they were octagonal, 8 sides, about 3 foot from flat to flat. So they were real big, and they drive them until they stopped. So if they had to go one entire pile and then another one on top of it and then another one on top of that, they keep going until it stopped.
Yeah, I see they use steel sometimes now, right?
Yeah, they do now, yeah. Yeah, back in those days that was a little more valuable.
Oh yeah, I believe it. All right, I want to thank you for your time, and thank you.